Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Messenger video call minimize problem. To know how to fix or how to solve video call minimize issues or problem, you should just go to settings. After that, you click apps, default apps, app settings. When you find this list, you will search about Messenger. Here in this page of app and for you will click on force stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. After that, we click clear cache, and in the end you can go to Play Store. You will search about Messenger. You can click here updates, and then you can turn off your Wi-Fi. You will wait at 3 seconds, then you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix your problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.